Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and gorgeous collection of most wearing and most demanding women collection. Women crochet cowl scarf designs, different ideas, different color combination contrasts for you. See beautiful designs, beautiful ideas. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of cowl scarf designs. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I'm back again with most stylish, most demanding collection of women crochet cowl scarf designs. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can wear these very beautiful cowl scarf designs in the birthday party or wedding party, casual wear, when you go in school, university, college. If you want to buy these very beautiful crochet cowl scarf designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eviva.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.